Welcome to Amazing Abby's Kitchen. Subscribe my channel for tasty and new videos. Like and share my videos. For Tamil videos, see link in the description. Badao chawva recipe in English. This is a flattened rice or poha and potato recipe. Boil the potato by adding some salt and cut it into small pieces. In a cup, add half cup of water and add 1/4 spoon of salt. Sprinkle the water above the flattened rice or poha. You should add water until the flattened rice or poha gets wet. Now in a pan, add oil. Now add mustard seeds. When it has spluttered, add small onions of about 2 in numbers. Now add green chilli. Add curry leaves. Mix and stir the recipe. Now it's time to add the potatoes, the boiled potatoes we cut into small pieces. Mix the recipe till it is cooked. In this recipe we are not adding any masala. Now add flattened rice or aval or poha. Now mix the mixture until the flattened rice or poha gets cooked. Cook for about 2 minutes. Now you can see the flattened rice is cooked. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for new and tasty recipes and don't forget to like and share my video. Thank you once again. Bye bye.